Today we're going to learn about rationalizing a denominator. You can eliminate radicals in the denominator by using the properties of square roots. So in order to simplify an expression with a square root, you can multiply the denominator by a square root of the exact same value of whatever is in the current denominator. As an example, in this first expression here, we can multiply both the numerator and denominator by whatever the denominator is, which is the square root of 2. Why do we do this? Well, it's because when you multiply the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, the square roots cancel out and your answer becomes 2. So in the numerator, we're now going to have the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 over 2, which the numerator can then be simplified to the square root of 6 over 2. So this is our simplified expression. How do we simplify the square root of 35 over the square root of 15? The first thing you might notice is that 35 and 15 have a common factor of 5. So you can break up the numerator into the square root of 7 times the square root of 5. And the denominator can be broken up into the square root of 3 times the square root of 5. Now, square root of 5 over square root of 5, that makes 1. So this cancels out. And you're going to get square root of 7 over the square root of 3. Now, if you multiply both the numerator and denominator by what's in the denominator, which is square root 3, you're going to get square root of 21 over 3. So that's going to be your simplified expression. Lastly, we have square root of 6y over the square root of 12. Just like the previous problem, let's find a common factor of 6 and 12. Now, what you might notice is that a common factor of 6 and 12 is 6 itself. So we can rewrite this as the square root of 6 times the square root of y over the square root of 6 times the square root of 2. So this would cancel out. So we'd get square root of y over square root of 2. Now let's multiply both sides by square root of 2. And we're going to get square root of 2y is equal to 2. So that's going to be our simplified expression. Notice that in all of these simplified expressions, the denominator is not a radical.